Welcome friends, in my previous video I shared with you how to make lemongrass oil using double boiler method. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make lemongrass oil without using any form of heat. Just like the double boiler method, we are going to wash them thoroughly to remove any form of dirt and dry them properly. Also, I'm going to share with you some of the health benefits of lemongrass oil and how to use it. Quick precaution. If you are a pregnant woman, please consult with your medical expert before taking lemongrass oil. Now that the water has dried up from the lemongrass, I'll start by cutting them into blendable size. And here are some of the health benefits of lemongrass oil. It includes skin care, stress relief, pain relief, insect repellent, hair care, and many more. And now let's discuss about lemongrass oil as skin care. This oil is beneficial for various skin conditions such as acne, oily skin, and general skin condition. For acne, clean your face thoroughly and apply the oil to the affected area using a cotton wool and leave it overnight before washing it off. After cutting the lemongrass into blendable size, transfer into a blender. Add 1 cup of extra virgin coconut oil and blend smoothly. After grinding the lemongrass with the coconut oil, transfer into a clean container, cover with a lid and allow to rest for about 7 days. And now for face toner. Mix lemongrass oil with rose water and pour it into a spray bottle. Shake well before use. Spray the toner into a cotton wool and gently wipe your face and let it dry. Lemongrass oil can be used for skin brightening. After cleaning your face, apply a few drops of the oil to your face and next gently massage in a circular motion for best results. Use it as your nighttime routine. Bring out the mixture every 2 days, stir together and allow to rest. And now let's talk about lemongrass oil as pain relief. Lemongrass oil has been used in traditional medicine for its effective pain relief properties, for joint pain, for headache, for muscle relief. Apply lemongrass oil on the affected area and massage gently. And this is the 7th day. I'm going to transfer the mixture into a strainer with the help of a cheesecloth to strain the lemongrass oil from the shaft. Transfer to a cheesecloth. Allow to drain on its own without adding any form of pressure to it. Incorporating lemongrass oil into a massage can provide relief from muscle soreness and stiffness. Although there are 2 different types of lemongrass oil, we have the infused lemongrass oil, just like the one I'm showing you in this video, and essential lemongrass oil, which requires special distillation method, which I'll be sharing with you in one of my upcoming videos. As you can see from the video, it came out nice with great aroma. Transfer into an airtight container. If you are using essential lemongrass oil, you have to make sure you dilute it with carrier oil like coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil. But since we are using infused lemongrass oil, you don't have to worry about that. For more benefit, please check out my description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.